We're going to centralize the steering rack on the TR7. I've taken both gaiters off because it's easier to do. And we've got a nut here which I'm going to remove first. I'm going to take this nut out of here. Make sure all the area around it is clean because you don't have grit in there. And that's out. Now the steering rack runs in there to there. I can pull it out by hand. Right, it's out as far as it'll go now. Which is showing this little spot here. It's a little drill piece that's been drilled out of it. I have made this, which fits, just fits inside there like that. Right, I'm going to wind this in now, and I'm using a drill punch, and it should locate on there. There we are. It's in there now at the moment. Okay. I'm going to measure now. I've used this as a datum, this piece here, to measure it to the end of that thread, and it's coming in at 14 inches and 5/16 from there to there. I'll try the other side. The same. And that's measuring exactly the same, 14 and 5/16. Right, I'm going to measure these now. I don't think there's any shims in here for tightening up, so we'll just measure that. And that's coming in at 27.6 millimeters. And this one's the same, 27.6. So as it is, there's no shims in them. I'm not going to put this back in. I've got another one here, is longer, which I've taken the end of it. I'm going to screw that in till it reaches the shaft. Right, I'll nip it up with a screwdriver just to stop it from moving back and forth. And it'll stay there now till it's on the car. Right, I finished this off now. New gaiters on both sides, and I painted it matte black, which I think is better than enamel. I've left this screw in. It's just touching that shaft so I don't distort it in any way. And I put these on here to protect the the threads. Once you put your ball joint on there, the track rod end, you could cut a piece of pipe and put it on first, and then fetch it up to the nut so it keeps the thread clean in, and put a cable tie on it. I've cleaned these now. These are the links for the back axle. They were covered in underseal. They put underseal everywhere on this car, but it didn't work. Anyway, I had my friendly garage push the bolts out. I put this then in an electrolysis to clean it all, and it's come up very good. I put grey primer on it, and again I put matte black on it. These bushes here go in from each side. It's not one complete, they're two separate and fit. Now this bolt, you might be thinking is all metric. It's not. This is 7/16. This car was a mixture of imperial and metric nuts and bolts, and these have come up nice. That's it.